Hello, in this video I'll show you how to diagnose a problem with the cooling fans not working on Audi A4 B7 2 liters TD. So now we'll go into the car, start the engine and turn the AC on. When the AC is turned on, the cooling fans should start working. Nope, the cooling fans are not working. Next, to check the wiring diagram for the cooling fans on this car. So this thing that is highlighted is the engine coolant blower control module, and this is the engine control module. The engine coolant blower control module has 4 wires. We can see the 4 wires. So the 2 wires on the bottom, on the left is the one going to the engine control module, to the right is the one going to ground. So there is one signal wire from the control module and one ground. On top there is 2 wires which are both connected to a fuse. That means they have power all the time when the ignition is on. So 4 wires, 2 wires that have power on all the time, one signal wire from the ECU and one ground wire. We'll check now the control module. I'm using a power probe to see what do you have ground or signal or power on those wires. So this is the coolant blower control module. It has 4 wires that go to the control module. Also from the control module there is another 4 wires that go to the 2 fans. One power, one ground on one blower motor and another power and ground on the other blower motor. The wires that I'm pointing are the wires coming to the control module from the ECU and from the battery. Here is the connector and the 4 wires. So from the diagram we saw that we have 2 power wires, 1 ground and 1 signal from the ECU. Now we'll check if there is power to it, but we need to turn the car on and the AC on as well. Now we'll get the power probe and check if there is power on the two wires that are coming from the. So the first wire that we're checking is the ground wire. There is ground there. Second wire that we're checking is the power wire. 12 volts is coming to this wire, and the other wire is, we'll check now, and it's this is the signal wire, because it's changing from green to red to orange. That means there is the ECU is giving a signal for the wire to work, and the fourth wire is we'll see now, fourth wire is power again, 12 volts, so that means two 12-volt wires, one ground and one signal, which is this one that's changing all the time from ground to red to orange, depends on what kind of signal they use. That means there is no problem with all the power coming to the coolant blower control module, so the problem must be with the control module. Also, you can check if there is power and ground on both wires going to the fans. If there is power and ground going to the fans, there is problem with the fans. If there is no power going to the fans, that means there is a problem with the control module. Here we will show how to change the control module. To change the control module, the four wires that go to the fans need to be cut, and then we'll put the new control module and just assemble the four wires. Now we have to attach the four wires from the fans to the four new wires from the control module. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Now we connect the connector, and next we can start the car and turn the AC on to see if the fans will start working. Yep, that's it. The fans are working, so problem fixed. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it was helpful.